They want to build a website or app without writing a single line of code. These no-code builders will help you do just that in 2025. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of these tech reviews. So today we are going to take a look at no-code builders and what you can do with them in 2025. But first, what are no-code builders? Builders are simply tools that allows you to build a website or app without writing a single line of code. And they are quite important in 2025 if you are someone who loves to code or someone who knows nothing about coding. This is so to enable you to launch your app without writing a single line of code. Without more further ado, in this particular video, we are going to take a look at the top 5 no-code builders in 2025 that you can use to build and launch your website or app. Now let's get started. So inside this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of these things. So first, no-code builders, the introduction, in which we have done earlier. We're also going to take a look at who are these no-code builders for. And thirdly, we are going to take a look at the pricing. Fourth part that we're going to learn about is the top 5 no-code builders, where you'll be able to see and learn about some of the top 5 no-code builders that you should use in 2025. Then the fifth one is we are going to learn about the key features of the top 5 no-code builders, why you should use them, and some of the beautiful things that they have in stock for you. Then the sixth part that we're going to talk about is the pros and cons. Then finally, we are going to conclude on the particulars video. So let's get started. Which no-code builder that we're going to talk about is Wix. It's actually a popular no-code builder that allows you to create a website without limit, and Wix has actually been quite free around. So Wix is ideal for people that whether you are a designer or a business owner. You can use Wix to build a website without using no code, and when you visit wix.com, you use it to build a portfolio or e-commerce or blog. So for instance, if you visit wix.com/website/template, you are going to see different templates that you can use, from the coming soon landing page to beauty salon, construction company, and all of that. Wix is a great option for people that are looking to build a website using no code builder. There are some pros and cons of Wix that you actually need to know about. So the first pros that you need to know about is that Wix has a lot of template library, which is about 900 plus, that you can use to build websites. So for instance, when you visit the wix.com/website/template, you'll be able to see collections of different templates that you can use to build your website, and they are actually quite fast and free. So you can click on view to see how they actually look like. So the second advantages of using Wix is that it's actually easier for designer to build a website using Wix, as it's user friendly. So the cons of using Wix is that Wix free plan requires the Wix branding. That is, when you are using Wix free plan to build your website, you are going to be having the Wix branding on your website. So the second option is the Wix website are not transferable. That is, if you are using Wix to build your website, you cannot transfer to another platform. You have to remain on the Wix platform to continue using Wix. So if you are looking to start a small website and you do not mind owning your website, then you can actually use Wix to build your website. So the fourth no-code builder that we're going to take a look at is the Webflow platform. So Webflow platform is a popular platform that you can use to build a website, and when you visit the website, the tagline that you're going to see on the website is that Webflow is more than a website builder. And this is quite true, because it allows marketers, designers, and developers to come together to build, manage, and optimize web experience that gets results. So if you are a designer or a developer, you can actually use Webflow to build a website. So the second thing that we're going to talk about Webflow is that Webflow actually has an extensive template library which you can use to build your website. If you visit the webflow.com/template, you are going to see a large library of templates that you can use to easily launch your website. We have about 6,000 plus Webflow template that you can use, ranging from technology to blog and editorial to agency, professional service, and etc. So plans and pricing for Webflow, it starts from free. You have the free plan that you can use to see how Webflow actually works. And while the free plan is actually free to use, it also has some disadvantages. For instance, when you are using the Webflow free plan, you have the webflow.io domain name, which is a branded domain name that comes with your Webflow website, which is on the free plan. And also you are limited to just 2 pages on the free plan. And if you want to use your own custom domain name, or you want to use more than 2 pages on your website, you have to subscribe to the pro plan, which start from $14 per month, or you can simply use any of the other plan depending on how you want. So the cons of using Webflow is that you have to subscribe to the pro plan. Then the second one is that Webflow, just like Wix, is not transferable. The third no-code builder in 2025 that you should actually use to build your website or web app is called Appmint.io. In case this is your first time of hearing about Appmint, Appmint is a rising star for simple and efficient website and mobile app building without using no code. So you can build smarter and launch faster with Appmint, as it provides you all the tools that you need to merge into one seamless experience: CMS, no code builder, CRM, forms, leads, marketing, workflow, and the likes. And in case you are curious about what kind of website or app that you can use to build with Appmint, so when you scroll down, you can see CRM and marketing. You can use it to build CRM and marketing app. You can use it to build live chat and ticket support. You can build social media manager with global inbox. You can even use it to build a website that has a booking management plugin. And the interesting thing about it is that you can as well build a programmable live chat and AI chatbot. So the options to use, the options you can use Appmint for are actually limitless, depending on your imagination. So if you want to try Appmint, all you have to do is visit appmint.io and click on try it now. Then it's going to take you to a page where you see large library of templates. There you can actually select depending on your taste. So for instance, you have the popular, you have the site, you have the forms, you have storefront, Google site, component, expert, and the like. So depending on what you want to build, all you have to do is to navigate to the type of template that you want, and then you simply click on that template and you are good to go. Now we are going to move on to the number 2 no code builder. The number 2 no-code builder is called Bubble.io. Bubble is a full-stack no-code app builder for everyone that allows you to quickly design and launch scalable applications with an AI-powered no-code development tool. And Bubble is a no-code builder that you can use to build different things depending on what you actually want. So you can use it to build something like Fiverr, which is a marketplace. You can also use it to build software as a service, like app subscription based tools like project management, and you can use it to build something like community driven projects, something like Twitter and e-learning platform, job boards, event booking systems, and etc. So Bubble is actually an awesome platform that you can use to build, whether it is a web app or a mobile app. And the pros and cons of using Bubble is that Bubble is actually quite flexible for you to use, whether you are a developer or a designer. And the cons is that Bubble also provides a platform that, although Bubble allows you to build for free, for you to be able to enjoy using Bubble, you have to subscribe on the pro plan. For instance, when you're the free version, it only includes the development version, but when you are on the pro plan, you'll be able to launch your website, which is having the live app. Number 1 on the list is the WordPress.org. WordPress is actually a popular no-code builder in the world, and it powers a lot of websites on the internet. WordPress is for beginners, intermediate, and experts who want to build a website or a web app. A case study of people that are using WordPress and the kind of website that you can use. So all you have to do is visit wordpress.org, go to the /showcase, and you'll be able to see some of the beautiful websites that people have built with WordPress, such as the NASA official website, which is being powered by WordPress, the Line Hotels, Toner, the Facebook Newsroom, and etc. So that's all about the top 5 no-code builders in 2025 that you can use to build your website or web app. Which no-code builder is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content in the future. See you in our next video. Bye.